Hi guys, welcome to Creating Inner Shangri-La. My name is Pooja and in this channel we talk about self-development, self-love, living a conscious and authentic life. If you are a beginner meditator or if you have just started meditating or if you are planning to meditate, this video is for you because in this video I am going to share some tips and tricks which you can use as a beginner for meditation. As simple as the word may sound, I know it's so damn complicated. As a child, my mother would always tell me, right after you get up from your bed, just start meditating for 10 minutes because that's the prime time for you to meditate. So that's one of the most valuable lessons I have learned as a child, and that habit has stuck with me for life. Morning is that time of the day when your mind is clear. It's like a blank slate, and even if you have thoughts, I'm sure that you don't have many like we usually have on rest of the day. Although morning hour is the best time for meditation, it can be customized depending on your situation and needs, because after all it's all about giving you that benefit of calming your mind and relaxing you, right? So it doesn't need to be in the morning. Meditation can be anywhere and at any time depending on your situation, but personally I like to meditate in the morning. The first thing to do even before you start meditation is creating that ambience. Now, why is that necessary? Why is it necessary to create that ambience? When you create an ambience for meditation, just use that spot for meditating and nothing else. Add some journals, some sage, incense, or if you have essential oils and you enjoy applying essential oils when you are meditating, do that. Create an ambience and vibe which truly resonates with you and which motivates you and inspires you to wake up each and every day for meditation. So creating an ambience is the first step for meditation. Personally, I call this time of the day as a luxury time. We have always taken small moments for granted, right? But it's that sacred time for yourself where you're focusing on your inner being, your essence, and acknowledging what's going on in your mind. So take the best advantage of this time and create an ambience where you can enjoy it in your mind, body, and spirit. The second thing is make yourself comfortable. Either sit or lie down in a comfortable position and make sure that your back is not strained, because if it is strained, when you are meditating, your entire focus will be on that pain on your back and you'll not be able to reap the most benefit of meditation. When you are comfortable enough, close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Either use a guided meditation or sound with waves or affirmation meditation, whichever form of sound which resonates with you, and use that as a guidance in your meditation process. As you start meditating, you'll experience that there are lots of thoughts and emotions taking over your mind. So every time you feel that you're drifting, bring your focus back to your breath and don't judge your thoughts. Just bring it back to your breath and continue with your meditation. If it again starts focusing on things like what you're going to have for breakfast, what are the things you have to do today, and all those random thoughts, just bring it back to reality by simply focusing on your breath. It is as simple as that. The third thing is start with gratitude. In your initial phases of meditation, start by being grateful for at least 3 things which you're really grateful about, and don't just say it with your mouth or just say it for the sake of saying it, but feel it with your heart. Just 3 beautiful things which you're grateful for: your breath, your life. But whatever it is, make sure that you feel those emotions, because it puts you in a higher frequency and helps you get in touch with your higher being, your higher self. When you start your meditation with gratitude, you are able to reach that level of frequency where you're able to resonate with the best version of you, and you can use that for your advantage, right? And so that's why whenever you find that you're being distracted or you're not able to focus on meditation, so you just bring your focus to your breath and think of things which you're really grateful about. Number 4 is be kind to yourself even if your mind wanders. Human beings, they are popular for having monkey minds. Our thoughts are in one place this moment, and just in some microsecond we are able to focus on something entirely unrelated. So don't judge yourself for having those thoughts in the process of meditation. That's natural for anyone, and it's just about being mindful of those thoughts. So whenever you have new thoughts coming in your mind, allow them to come and let them go by not judging those thoughts. When you don't judge those thoughts and when you don't beat yourself down for having those thoughts, it will reduce resistance. When it reduces resistance, over time you'll notice that you are having less and less intrusive thoughts coming in your mind in the process of meditation. As a matter of fact, meditation helps us to really acknowledge our thoughts. It's all about being mindful. So when you are acknowledging those thoughts and letting them come into your mind and letting them pass, mindfulness meditation allows you to really understand what's going on in your mind. So it's actually acting in your advantage anyway. So don't be too hard on yourself and judge your thoughts. Number 6 is to close your meditation with gratitude and compassion. After you are done meditating, thank the universe or the higher being for the beautiful experience you had and how better you feel compared to just 10 or 15 minutes ago. So showing gratitude at the end of your meditation will fully help you get the maximum benefit of your meditation. Number 7 is to not to expect perfection in the first go. I know we are humans and we want instant validation, instant results, but meditation is not how it works. Just like we go to the gym and gradually build muscle, lose weight, whatever your target may be, it takes time in the gym, right? We slowly get stronger. Similarly, meditation is like an exercise but for your mind. Gradually you'll see that your concentration power improves, you're able to focus more on things and be more present with yourself. You'll also notice that your relationship with yourself and with your friends and family will improve, because when you are more grounded, you're able to provide more and resonate more with others. So these are the initial changes you'll see when you start meditating, and gradually you'll be able to be in such a sync with your body, mind and spirit that you'll be able to tap into those energy sources which you can utilize for your maximum benefit. And this is it. As simple as it sounds, great world leaders and athletes have benefited from using this technique of meditation, and this has been with us for ages. We just don't see that because it's a simple process and it just takes your willingness to learn and grow. We are so engaged and busy with all the hustles and bustles of our life, but keeping consistent with the practice of meditation can improve your life by leaps and bounds. So start meditating today, guys. I hope this video helps you, and thank you so much for staying till the end. Until next time, bye bye.